Is Dinosaur face mask Halloween? Buckle up, Buttercup, you just flipped my witch switch shirt. That the Dinosaur face mask Halloween. Buckle up, Buttercup, you just flipped my witch switch shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Then there's the Tiffany Aching series where people seem to. Is Dinosaur face mask Halloween? Buckle up, Buttercup, you just flipped my witch switch. Appreciate it. Because it's the last series from Pratchett. A coming-of-age type storyline following a single young witch. People hate me for saying it, but I really don't like that series. Despite it being yaw, compared to other Discworld novels. It is a lot more serious in tone and the dark bits are much more disturbing and jaded. I would recommend reading this series last and read other series first if you are interested in other Discworld books after the Witches novels. Other product.